China's commitment to air superiority is further highlighted by its fleet of advanced aircraft. The J20 stealth fighter is a prime example of this dedication. Designed to evade radar detection, it offers China the ability to engage adversaries while maintaining a level of invisibility. The Y20 military transport aircraft is another critical asset, allowing for the quick movement of troops and equipment across vast distances, ensuring rapid response in times of need. Lastly, the H-6K bomber provides China with long-range strike capabilities, capable of delivering payloads to targets far from its borders.